Hello traders. Now let's look at USD CAD buy signal. Now currently I am on weekly chart, and first of all let me draw a trend line which has been supporting the price many times, which is below the price, and from where we can expect price to bounce again. Let me touch it here, and let's see here. Okay, so this is our trend line. When you're going to draw the trend line, draw on weekly chart first, because we are trading weekly levels. It even though we are near the execution in 4 hour also, but to get a good trend line on this setup, draw it on weekly chart if you're using our auto trading systems. And second thing what we can notice is here we have this strong horizontal support, and price is also in it. Okay, so basically on weekly chart we can see that USD CAD is on good support, and there is a potential of uh, so maybe a short term reversal right now from here. And good thing about current levels is that at least you will get good risk to reward ratio, and TP1 we can put off at least 100 pips, because on the bounce from here we expect price to at least move towards this zone, which is 283 pips. So if you buy a little bit lower or at current levels also, we can expect at least TP1 at 100 pips and final TP at 280 pips. So that is gonna be a very nice trade if it works out as we expect. Now let's move on daily chart. Now here on daily chart, we have this trend line drawn already, and we can see that price has nearly tested the level, right? But still there is a good potential of price moving lower. So those who want to trade manually and can take aggressive entries can buy right now also. Otherwise, for our auto traders who use our software to trade, what we can do is draw this trend line. Okay, and we gonna name it touch buy. So TB, which is buy on touch of trend line. So we're gonna take a trade when price touches this level. On this is on daily chart trend line. And for the stop loss, what we're gonna use is, I will remove this triangle here, go again, or sorry, rectangle here, go again on weekly chart to get exact level. And let me move this side. And these this was the support where uh, when price started moving higher, it stalled here for a while, but price kept on moving higher, and this support was tested again by this wick. So this is the trend line. If candle closes below this trend line, then I'm going to exit out of trade. So this is going to be my stop loss. Okay, and again on daily chart, what about my profit? My take profit, I'm going to take strong bounces expected. So what I will be drawing this trend line here. Okay, this one. So this is going to be my take profit. So if price buys from here, and then take profit is going to be around 300 pips. Partial profit you can take anywhere. You can take here on first partial profit TP1. So again, let me write it down for auto traders. This is my final TP, this trend line. And if you are trading manually also, you can draw these charts, trend lines on charts, and you can take trades accordingly. So these will be the levels. And finally, TP1, where I'm going to close some of my trade, is going to be here. So even if I see TP1 is 170, okay, let me move it a little bit lower. Maybe I'll take my first take profit here. So this is my TP1, where I'm going to close around 50 or 60% of my trade. Okay, so again, this is a technical setup which has a very good probability of work. You can trade auto trade also. If you want to see it on, I'm ending this idea on weekly chart where all trend lines are much more clearer. Okay, and let us know what you think about this trade setup. Remember, this is a stop loss line. If price candle closes below this on daily chart, not on weekly chart, then we are going to exit the trade. This is our buy entry. This is TP1, and this is final take profit. Now if the price does not touches this trend line, maybe we will be looking at next setup on Monday. But for now, we are waiting for price to test the line, and in daily chart, test the line on daily chart, and we take the buy entry. Okay, thank you.